Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Charm, and this actually this product will provide you traffic from Quora. Okay, if you are not getting targeted visitors, okay, I'm not talking about the visitors, audience, traffic and all. I'm talking about targeted visitors, okay, targeted related audience, that type of audience if you want, because this product will work for Quora, because on Quora you always see many people are looking for the solution of any particular problem or something, like if they are in confusion, so they are just want to clear their doubts. Okay, so why I'm telling you these two things, problems and confusions, because if you are getting this two type of the people on your page or for your services, for your product, something like that, so this visitors and audience always will be targeted. Okay, this will not be a junk lead, and just because of this charm comes in the picture, because just because of this product you will get targeted visitors, targeted audience, and something like buyer audience. Okay, hungry buyers type of the audience you will get. Okay, so customer can finally get the traffic. Okay, that is why this is the first line of this product, which is Charm. Second line is first to market new software, because this is targeting only Quora. You might be look some more different tools and software, they are just talking about different social media, but this time this coming with Quora. Okay, so one click campaign builder, we will see each and everything, because this is my member access area. We will discuss each and everything. Okay, I'm not coming with practice, I'm already telling you. I will discuss each and everything directly in front of you, and we will check each and every features. I will click on each and every button so that you will be able to find out this product is going to fit for you or not. Okay, so this all functions you will get just because of this product, which is Charm. So let's come and just try to search each and everything. So guys, this is dashboard, Quora links download, this is zero, hashtags, automation campaigns, this is sales page, this is grab deals. Okay, so we will not discuss about this each and everything. So we will see first what are here. Okay, what I can do, where I can click, and what type of the functions I'm getting to use. So this is Facebook account. Okay, you have to import your Facebook account. I'm not doing this because already someone's account is here. We will use this. Okay, we will use this for just checking some things and all, something like that. So this is for questions. You can add questions. Okay, you can see here my questions list. For example, if you added some questions, okay, so what will happen, you will get answers from people. But if you answer of any type of the questions, and if you get upwards, so easily you will get some related traffic, targeted related traffic. So give name to the question, for example. So for example, how can I break up from my girlfriend? Okay, how can I break up from my girlfriend? Quora Viral, see too much options here available, but right now I'm using Quora Viral only. Okay, because select a category of question, because I want category of Quora, because I'm looking for Quora. This some actually, if your product actually, if your question is related to something like this, like for example, make money online, SEOs, just always choose this category. Okay, I'm just choosing this Quora Viral because I'm going for general questions. Okay, so how do I get a question to go viral on Quora? Something like that. These are some samples. I'm just saving this one, for example. So let's see what will happen. Uh, these are samples. Where is my, okay, how can I break up? Your data has been successfully stored into the database. So for example, I'm just saving this for you from here to, and let's see what will happen the next. Okay, so this is my one. Okay, this one is mine question. So let me click on this and let's see what will happen, where we will go. Okay, same thing. Okay, now let me show you, this is action. So I can just download something like this. Okay, so maybe some people who are just answering, so I can download this as a PDF. It will be something like that. So let's see my questions, same questions. Same thing I will see which questions I'm already put. Okay, yes, same thing. Okay, so no worry, I'm just leaving this option. This is for just list and just for storing purpose. So let's see Quora link. Now create link and report. So let's see this one. What is inside this? Okay, so landing page option is coming. If I click on this create a link, so you can create a link, for example, select a category, landing page, giveaway pages. Okay, for example, I am choosing this giveaway pages because if I give away for free something, information, some value, some problem solutions, okay, you can always provide solution of any problem, and with the solution in form of solution, you can provide your product, your service, and you can start getting traffic, making revenues, start making some profits, okay, something like that. So I'm just providing this giveaway page so that I can provide something for free, and later I can pitch my service and my product for make money. Okay, so okay, this is giveaway pages, you can see here. And I can now choose templates. Actually, I'm just giveaway pages. So I can, okay, I have to choose from here, for example, so that I can actually, this is creating landing page. Okay, so that I can make some, actually I can get some traffic from Quora. So I'm choosing look and feel perfect every day, because this is going to related my question which I just asked before. Okay, how can I break up from my girlfriend, something like that. So this will be like related. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Templates editor. Okay, so I will get some play around option, okay, to make good feel of my page. Okay, see this. So you have to just play around with this. This is not a too much important things, tags and something like that. Layouts. Okay, this is actually, this I'm not going too much with this because this is too much simple thing. So for example, button, if I want to put something button, so I think this is my button. Okay, yes, this is my button. I can delete and all these things. Sign up now. If for example, I want to sell any type of the services, so I will do this get now. Okay, something like that, or whatever you want. Or and now guys, this will be my URL. Okay, this will be for example, I'm grabbing some emails so that I can capture some emails also from Quora, because I already told you I'm getting quality traffic, buyers traffic, okay, positive and targeted traffic, something like that. So if I capture some emails so that I can do some email marketing, I can run some marketing campaigns for future. So it will be lead generator also for you. Okay, I'm talking about this product which is Charm. Okay, you can see here now this, here you can put any link. For example, I'm putting my this link. For example, just I'm putting my page link. Okay, sorry guys, sorry, just give me 1 minute, 1 minute. So now you can see here, I put my link, background color and all this thing. You have to put, you have to just play around with this guys. I'm not going too much deeper with this one. Okay guys, let me see what other things I can do here. Okay, and you can just download this one custom URL, and also you can make some, okay, custom URL option is always good. You can make some link here also. You can directly connect this to any type of this link and all, but I have this one, so no worry, I'm okay with this. Or okay, so I'm done from my side. Show more. If I click, so too much options you have guys. So see, you can create some form. Okay, so from here again you will get more quality traffic. Only those people who are interested in your service, interested in your product, they will provide you leads. Okay, by using this form. Okay, so easily you can just filter out some junk leads. Okay, so this is something like that, and just here from here you can download. Okay, so are you sure? Okay, yes, I'm sure. Okay, so I just clicked on here, but where I redirected. Okay, no worry, because I came here on reports. So right now there is no reports. I just made, for example, I just made a demo. So for example, let's come. This is URL shorter. This is too much simple, like Bitly and all that. So you don't need to go outside again and again out of this software. You can directly do it from here. Okay. So if your link will be short, because why this is important? Because on Quora, on Quora, you have to put small links because your link will be too much big. Okay, so it will be look like some scamming and all. Okay, so that's why this option is too much important. That's why you are getting this already inside, so that you don't need to go outside and all. Okay, so these two brands are too much important and good, so you can go ahead with this. So this is Social Blast, so that you can easily share your Quora links with this. See, Auto Blast Quora links to 100 sources. You have to just put your Quora link after putting your whatever your content or whatever which I already made a link before on site, the landing page, something like that, and questions and all these things I made already for you. You can put here. You can go on any type. Okay, it also may be, for example, I'm just looking for something automation, and if this will be something like that, so you don't need to work again and again, and you don't need to, for example, I'm just putting my page link. Okay, so if you just connected, actually I didn't connected my all these accounts with this tool. So if you connect anything, so that you can, for example, actually I can do that, but it will take too much time, guys. So if I do that, so you can directly share your all things on all these platforms. Okay, so some backlinks will be created for your content, and you will start getting some traffic too, because all things will be organic. All things will be organic because you are sharing one by one, and it will be on automation. So then you have to just click one button. Okay, and on all these platforms your content will be shared. Okay, so right now because I didn't this all these things API and something like that, so okay, I'm okay with that, so I'm just leaving this one. So you have to just connect, guys. Okay, I'm not going to with much deeper with that. You can do that easily. Now let me search this Quora hashtag. Now this is Quora automation. Okay, from here you can automate your complete things, guys. This is something like tags and hashtags. Okay, for a particular hashtags, how much organic traffic you can get, this is something like that. So I'm just searching, for example, fashion. Some people say I always look for fashion, so this time I will look for uh, lifestyle is again a normal thing. For example, sugar. Okay, something like this. So just search this one. Nothing is inside this, so I'm just going for new analysis. You can see here I'm just clicking on this. So let's see what option is coming. Keyword. Okay, keyword. Okay, just for example, guys. Okay, now analysis from here. Actually, you don't need to go to the keyword planner and different type of the platforms like SEMrush, Ahref, and all. You will get directly the hashtags from here. Okay, through which you will get some, not some, you will get good quality traffic. Okay, so cute girl's name, all these things you can just copy them. You can just put on your notepad. Okay, something like this. So this is my notepad. So you can just put this, copy, paste. Okay, so I'm not doing like that right now because my page will be okay. Let me do this. This type you have to copy and you have to all this paste here, something like that, and you can just collect all this type of the hashtags and how much Quora allowed and how much different platforms allowed, I don't know. Okay, if you can put some 30 hashtags, so just copy these hashtags and put your hashtags so that you will start getting some traffic from organic mode again. Okay, so this is for that. Okay, so you can do this type of analysis. Okay, you will get this type of the hashtags and you will get some more traffic. Okay, more traffic. So now this is, guys, Quora automation. Let's see what is inside this. Actually, generally I create more big video, but this time I'm just trying to create some little video. Automation campaigns, guys, and automation templates. So let's see what is inside this. All templates and pages we created here, all links and all these things. So maybe this is for automate all those things. So okay, I don't have anything for search because I forgot my name, what name I put it before. Okay, so let's create something. Campaign name is puppy, for example. Comment message, something like this. You can add more message, something like this. Okay, and you can just create campaigns, automation template. Okay, you will get automate messages, something like that. Actually, guys, what will happen just because of this, if you are posting any type of the content on Quora, and you are not getting too much upwards, because on Quora you will get upwards, something like something, it will be like likes and dislikes. Okay, actually this is about engagement. Okay, because on Quora you will get engagement in form of words and upwards, downwards, something like that. So just because of this automation template, if you put your template and messages, so you will get some more automation messages on your post, on your content. So people will come there, people will like to read your solution or what is inside your content. So just like that, and people will engage on your post. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. So okay, so just this is just because of that. Okay, so now, okay, I'm just coming back so that I can show you some one more option was there, so I can introduce you with that. So this is automation template, this is automation campaign. So just come here and let's see what is inside this. Follow me campaign and something like that. These are some, okay, ClickBank, Quora comment, guys. You can do affiliate marketing also. Okay, just provide some solution related to any specific problem, and if you have any product or service related to that solution, okay, for which problem are looking, for which problem, for which people are facing some problems, so just you can create one Quora content. You can lastly put your services and product, and you can just do affiliate marketing also. So just I'm going to create campaign. Campaign name is hey, enter your Quora username, guys. You have to put that auto comment template. No, here you will use template previous option which I already told you. So I think this is my name, for example, because I have put a randomly targeted keywords. Okay, from here hashtag. Okay, here I told you hashtag. I shown you just target by using those. Enable auto likes. Yes. Okay, because you are using automation, so it will be too much helpful for you. Daily maximum activity, put according to you, but always don't break the policy. Okay, expiry type and all these things that you can put, and just you can create campaign, guys. Okay, so Quora is also inter valid Quora name. Actually, I don't have, guys, this Quora username, so I'm just leaving this one, because if you have this, you can create campaign. It's too much easy. You can apply some comment template and all these things. So it will be completely on autopilot mode, guys. Okay, this is how this charm product will work for you only on Quora. And why you have to work on Quora, I already told you, for targeted visitors, for targeted and hungry buyers type of the people. Okay, because always you will get quality traffic. Okay, no Quora backlinks, guys. This is again a main things. Okay, so backlinks, I already shown you how to create manual backlink in my previous video. You can go ahead and you can do that. You can search for that. You can look for that. So I'm not going to search and all this thing. This is, guys, choose that option. So this is pretty simple. This is for download, select download all. Okay, this is pretty simple. So I'm just going for name scan. So let's see what will happen in front of you. Then click to generator files. I don't have, guys, files right now. So bank backlink generator. I look at this just for example, guys. Okay, just for example. Now file, for example, I'm just choosing one random file. Above my past. So you have to choose, for example, which file. Okay, guys, this affiliate marketing I'm choosing. Okay, CSV file, actually this is, guys. Okay, backlinks means you can put your some links in different websites so that it will be backlink for you. And if visitors are coming on those particular websites, if they will click on your link on in that website, so they will redirect to your Quora content or your website. whatever link you posted there. Okay, so generating this one. Okay, if you have any doubt, guys, training is available for you. Okay, you can go ahead and you can just finish complete training and you can learn each and everything and then you can apply. Okay, guys. So it will take few minutes, guys. So we don't have time for waiting. So we should go ahead, guys. So I'm leaving this here. Okay. Connect app based and Instagram, guys. You have to just import your account by using your credentials. Okay. Quora, Facebook, Quora and Facebook, Quora and Instagram. Actually, you are just connecting your Quora account with this to both Facebook and Instagram social media so that you will start getting some traffic from there. So Charm Passive Edition, guys, some SMS autopilot, email autopilot, e-commerce autopilot, guys. E-commerce is always nice thing, guys. Okay. Website comparison, all these things. Agency, guys. This is again, actually people are making too much good revenue in agency business. Okay. Agency business, it means you have to provide, actually this is drop servicing, not drop shipping. Drop servicing, you have to get make some clients, you have to take some orders and you have to just search for any type of the workers, and just in between you will become middleman arbitrage, okay, something like that, and you will earn between. Okay, you will take some services from others and you will provide this ahead to your client, something like that. So all options are available inside this charm. So this is backlink, so I'm just leaving this because this will take too much time. You have to just connect your FB and Instagram. This will not take too much time, guys. You have to just connect your FB Instagram. So let me click on this. Wait, guys. I'm just closing this one because this is actually wasting our time. And okay, let me show you this one. Actually, I don't need to show you these things, but let's see what will happen. Actually, this is taking too much time, guys. Now, I don't know why, but this is taking. Okay, let's leave this, guys. I'm just coming here, Quora and Facebook, Quora and Instagram, RSS out auto postings, so that I will show you each and everything what is coming inside this. Wait, guys.